रामचंद्र की जय, राजा रामचंद्र की जय, राजा रामचंद्र की जय.
In a remarkable display of military precision, Lieutenant Sanyam Chaudhary led the Rajputana Rifles of the 20th Battalion during the Republic Day parade. The contingent proudly marched past the Kartavya Path, their synchronized war cry of Raja Ramchandra Ji Ki Jai echoing in unison. Notably, the Rajputana Rifles, established in 1775, holds the distinction of being the oldest rifle regiment in the Indian Army. During the Kargil War of 1999, the gallant actions of the 7th and 11th Battalions of Rajputana Rifles played a pivotal role. This regiment boasts a rare and impeccable achievement of winning 10 Arjuna Awards, showcasing their commitment to excellence. Subedar Neeraj Chopra and Subedar Deepak Punia have further brought glory to the nation with their remarkable achievements in the Olympic and Asian Games. The regiment's motto, Veer Bhogya Vasundhara, and war cry, Raja Ramchandra Ki Jai, resonate with the spirit of courage and devotion. This comes after the inauguration or consecration ceremony of Ayodhya Ram Temple on 22nd January by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As India celebrates the momentous Platinum Jubilee of its Republic Day, the grand showcase of the majestic Kartavya Path in the national capital unfolds. The parade, themed around Viksit Bharat and Bharat Loktantra Ki Matruka, highlights the nation's rich cultural diversity, self-reliant military prowess, and the empowering force of Nari Shakti. In terms of security, officials have mobilized over 8,000 personnel, implementing a robust system that combines technology and human intelligence surveillance to enhance safety measures across Delhi. As the celebration continues, the nation stands united in its commitment to a vibrant and secure Republic Day.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.